So far, the Americans never offered us the F-35, which is cutting edge. All that we were offered were the F-16s, which they had given to Pakistan 30 years ago. So it was a big surprise, and it was a pleasant surprise when Donald Trump said, okay, here is the F-35. I'm going to offer it to India. Billions of dollars of sales India will buy from us and all that, and F-35 हम आपको offer कर रहे हैं, which is a big change. If you don't want to get kicked around like Zelensky, then you better be self-reliant.
Correct.
And very wisely, our leadership had started taking all efforts to self-reliance ever since Prime Minister Modi came into power.
During Biden's time, the relationship between India and US had gone to an all-time low. What do you think is going to happen during the Trump administration?
India told him that, look, we have no problems with Russia. You have problems with Russia, you solve them. I mean, why involve us? You see, and we have to safeguard the Indian economy. So we will buy oil from the cheapest place we can get it, which is Russia.
Correct.
And therefore we had China and India had both started buying huge amounts of oil from Russia, and that in a way defeated the sanctions. Now Joe Biden got very angry, and then towards the end he said, you are either with us or you are against us, there is no neutrality.
Wow.
From the US aid, they had siphoned off $6 billion to George Soros to have a regime change in India, to have a regime change in Bangladesh.
Yes.
Bangladesh, they have succeeded entirely. So fortunately, when Donald Trump came, he said, Bangladesh, I leave to Modi. That has sent a very, very clear,
very big message. Going to interfere, and then that decides
at the cost of India. India has since 1971 emerged as the preeminent power in South Asia.
Correct.
That is the reality, that was the reality which Joe Biden was trying to change.